everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to download a VPN extension for Chrome. So there are a bunch of extensions available. We are going to guide you through the process to add it up on your Chrome. So let's get started. So you can start by going to your browser, your Chrome, and once you open up your Chrome, you can go to your Chrome Web Store. Directly look out for the three dot in the top and select it, and select the option of extensions from here, and select the option of Visit Web Chrome Web Store. After you go to Chrome Web Store, there just go over and type in VPN, free VPN, etc. Hit enter, and there you should be finding different VPNs available. So one of the VPN, you can just go over and look out for the one with the best rating if available, and you can just go over and download it. For example, let's say I would like to download this one right here, NordVPN. So you just need to select the VPN extension that you would like to add. And once it is selected, you'll be finding an option called Add to Chrome. So select this option right here, Add to Chrome, and a pop-up appears on your screen. Now you just need to select this option of Add Extension and wait for the extension to be added. It may take for some seconds, and it has been added. Now you just need to set up the extension. You can look out for extension here. You can choose up your language. And apart from that, you can look out for this extension tab in the top of your screen. After you select it up, you can just go over and pin your VPN right there, and you will be finding a VPN available. Now you just need to open it up, and you can accept the terms and conditions. After you do so, you may need to log in. You can log in into your account, and once you are logged in, you can just go over and set up the VPN. Once you are logged in, you should be finding the VPN at the top directly, and there we go. Now if you want to connect to a country, you can select up from the list of country. For example, United States. You can just go over and drop this option down right there and select up a particular location. You can just go over and select the server or use the quick connect, and that is how you use the VPN. You can just go over and use the site that you're trying to access using VPN, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. That's the method you can follow up to download the VPN extension for Chrome. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.